another video for the next school. And here we're going to go into an overview of Google Docs, an amazing tool that you can use that cuts down on paper costs, cuts down on paper use incredibly, is multi-platform. That means it can be accessed from your computer, it can be accessed from tablets, it can be accessed from smartphones. So it's multi-platform, so you can use it in a lot of different ways. And it's amazing for collaboration. And really, I don't know if there's a better tool for real-time and real collaboration than the Google Docs forum. So, and it's free. There's access to it. So let's take a look at it. All you have to do is, if you Google search Google Docs, it'll bring you here. You do have to create a Gmail account. So that's pretty simple to do. You can get into that rather simply by simply signing in. Create your name, create your account, and then you can come in, and it'll look something like this, a little bit like this. I've created a bunch of stuff, so there's lots of things in there. But really what it does is it gives you, it'll bring you to Google Drive, and Google Drive is a place that you can store things that you have. So I'm just going to take a look at what you can create right off the top. So you can create what it comes with, and this is, remember, this is free. This does not cost anything. So it comes with, you can create documents. This is basically like Microsoft Word. This is like a Word document sort of thing. Again, absolutely free that you save. This is what it means when people say that I save things to the cloud and that it's on the cloud and cloud computing and cloud storage. This is what they're talking about. You can create documents. This is like PowerPoint. This is the presentations. Spreadsheets, which is just like Excel spreadsheets. Forms, which is unlike stuff that you've seen before. These are some of the more detailed things that I use. This won't come in the basic one. You have to add these in. But we're gonna go into these in the following videos about documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and forms. And you'll have recognized these quite a bit. And this form one is the one that's really, really special in my estimation. Again, the power of it is that you can create from here. That's absolutely free. It's saved automatically, and it's there. Now, you got to remember, these is not going to look exactly like Microsoft Word or PowerPoint or those sorts of things, or Excel. It's sort of a stripped down version, so it's rather simple to use. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles. It has the stuff that Google has figured out that you're going to actually probably use the most. Again, Microsoft has it's an amazing product, all the Microsoft stuff, but it's got lots of stuff that most people don't ever use. It's got a lot of analytics, it's got a lot of stuff in there that a lot of people don't use. So what Google has decided to do is to make it really simple. And that's really Google's mission statement, above all else, is just simplify things to make it user-friendly right away. So you can basically get this right out of the box. So as soon as you sign up, you're in and you can start creating. Let's look at what you can do with it, though. So I have my different charts here for different things. So for instance, when I work in 21C, Academic ICT, I have lots of things in here. So lots of different folders, lots of different stuff that's in here. And what you'll notice here on some of these things is that it's shared. So what that means is that I've shared, for instance, this file with a group of people. So you can go in and say that it's there. And I can share that with someone so that someone else can see it, that someone else can edit it. So in fact, you could be having a meeting where everyone's looking at the same thing and editing as it goes. It's real time. We'll get into a little bit more detail about that, but that's really where Google Docs separates itself from most of the other things, is you can have people accessing with you. You can share things with people. So imagine if you're thinking of an administration team. You can have, each of you had your own Google account. You could be sharing stuff with them so that they can constantly see that. There's no more of, can you send me a copy of that? Or, you know, I know you sent me a copy, for instance, you're doing staffing. I updated the staffing thing. You need to get the new version of it. So the newest version of what I had is there. It's going to change automatically as you change it. It's an amazing tool. Really is quite interesting. We can go into details about each of those in the videos that are gonna follow this one. I'm going to again show you a little bit more about what documents does, what presentations does, what spreadsheet does, and what forms do. What those four major ones do, and then you can start thinking about how can I use this to help me in my quest to become a NeXt school.